Transform your passion for writing into a lucrative income stream by leveraging AI for freelance writing and content creation in 2024. With AI-powered tools, you can enhance your productivity and quality, allowing you to take on more projects and earn more money. Top freelance writers are earning over $100,000 annually using these advanced technologies. Ready to learn how you can join their ranks? Let's dive in. Welcome to day 13 of our 30-day series on earning money online. Today, we're exploring an innovative way to make money in 2024, leveraging AI for freelance writing and content creation. If you've been following our series, you know we're committed to bringing you the most effective strategies for online income. The world of freelance writing is vast and continuously growing, and with AI-powered tools, the possibilities are endless. Imagine boosting your productivity, improving your writing quality, and landing high-paying gigs, all with the help of artificial intelligence. Some writers are making over $100,000 a year with these methods. Stay tuned to learn how you can achieve similar success. Don't forget to hit share and subscribe so you won't miss any valuable insights from our series. The role of AI in freelance writing. Tools like Grammarly, Jasper, formerly Jarvis, and CopyAI can significantly enhance your writing productivity. These tools can help you generate ideas, create content outlines, write drafts, and even refine your final pieces. By automating repetitive tasks, AI allows you to focus on more complex aspects of writing, increasing your overall output. Quality is crucial in freelance writing. AI-powered tools can assist with grammar checks, style improvements, and even plagiarism detection, ensuring that your content is top-notch. Tools like PriorityGate and Hemingway Editor offer in-depth analysis to help you refine your writing style and produce high-quality content consistently. Coming up with fresh and engaging content ideas can be challenging. AI tools like BootSumo and Content Explorer can analyze trending topics and provide inspiration for your next piece. These tools help you stay ahead of the curve by identifying what's popular and relevant in your niche. Choosing a niche is essential for standing out in the crowded freelance writing market. Whether it's technology, health, finance, or lifestyle, finding a niche that aligns with your expertise and interests will help you attract the right clients. A strong portfolio showcases your writing skills and experience. Start by creating sample articles or blog posts in your chosen niche. You can also write guest posts for established blogs or websites to build your portfolio and gain exposure. Incorporate AI tools into your writing process to enhance productivity and quality. Use tools like Grammarly for grammar checks, Jasper for content generation, and BootSumo for idea inspiration. These tools will help you produce high-quality content more efficiently.
Promote your freelance
writing services through various channels. Create a professional website to showcase your portfolio and use social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Medium to share your work and connect with potential clients. Freelance marketplaces like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are also great places to find writing gigs. Networking is crucial in the freelance writing industry. Join writing communities, attend webinars, and participate in online forums to connect with other writers and potential clients. Building strong relationships can lead to repeat business and referrals. Here is the real-life success stories that clearly shows freelance writing is one of the best ways to earn money passively. Alex started his freelance writing career in 2021, focusing on technology. By leveraging AI tools to streamline his writing process and improve quality, he quickly gained a reputation for producing insightful and engaging tech content. In 2024, Alex's freelance writing business generated over $120,000 thanks to high-paying clients and repeat business. Emma turned her passion for health and wellness into a thriving freelance writing career. Using AI tools to generate content ideas and optimize her writing, she built a loyal readership on her blog and attracted lucrative freelance gigs. In 2024, Emma's combined earnings from her blog and freelance work exceeded $150,000. Some of the challenges that need to overcome in this field. With AI tools generating content, it's essential to ensure that your work remains original and authentic. Use AI as a support tool rather than a replacement for your creativity and voice. The freelance writing industry is constantly evolving. Stay informed about the latest trends and developments in your niche to produce relevant and timely content. Regularly update your skills and knowledge to remain competitive. Freelance writing can be demanding, especially with tight deadlines and multiple projects. Use AI tools to manage your workload efficiently, and don't hesitate to take breaks and prioritize self-care to avoid burnout. Future of AI and freelance is quite secure. As AI technology continues to advance, new tools and features will emerge, offering even more sophisticated support for freelance writers. Stay updated on these advancements and be ready to incorporate them into your workflow. The demand for high-quality, engaging content is expected to grow. Companies and brands will continue to seek skilled writers who can produce content that resonates with their audience. Position yourself as a go-to writer in your niche to capitalize on this demand. Freelance writers will need to adapt to diverse content formats, including blogs, articles, social media posts, ebooks, and video scripts. Expanding your skill set to cover various formats will increase your marketability and earning potential.
Leveraging AI for freelance, writing, and content creation in 2024 offers a path to substantial earnings and professional growth. By incorporating AI tools into your writing process, you can enhance productivity, improve quality, and generate fresh ideas, allowing you to take on more projects and increase your income. Whether you're an experienced writer or just starting, the key to success lies in finding your niche, building a strong portfolio, and continuously adapting to new trends and technologies. Start your journey today and join the ranks of writers earning over $100,000 a year. Remember to hit share and subscribe so you won't miss any valuable insights from our 30-day series. Thank you for joining us on day 13. Stay tuned for more. Press share button to share this video. Hit subscribe to get regular updates on new and easy methods of earning money online. Press the bell icon and like button to motivate us, bringing new content to you.